Enthusiasm that I welcome you all to our celebration of International Yoga Day. Today, we gather to honor and practice an ancient tradition that has transcended boundaries and united people across the globe. Yoga, originated from the Sanskrit word yoj, meaning to unite or to join, symbolizes the union of body, mind, and spirit. It is not just a form of exercise, but a way of life, promoting holistic well-being and inner peace. As we are gathered today, we are reminded of a profound impact yoga has on millions of lives, fostering harmony within ourselves and with the world around us. International Yoga Day, celebrated annually on June 21st, was established by United Nations in 2014. This day serves as a reminder of the universal appeal of yoga and its many benefits, which include improved physical health, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a curious beginner, today is an opportunity to deepen our practice and connect with the global community of like-minded individuals. Today, it's my great honor and privilege to introduce a truly remarkable individual, Dr. Harika Sirigiri Garu, to our gathering today. She exemplifies the harmonious blend of professional excellence and professional passion, embodying the essence of holistic living. A dentist by profession, she earned her bachelor's degree from prestigious NTR University of Health and Sciences. Her dedication to dental health is powered by her commitment to spreading wellness and happiness through her role as an art of living trainer with a deep understanding of her mind-body connection. She guides individuals on her journey towards inner peace and well-being. She contributes extend beyond her dental practice. She is esteemed Sri Sri Shankar Kedar teacher, enriching the lives of many with the teachings of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Garu. Her expertise also includes being a patch flower therapist and a red flower therapist, modelizes her, emphasizes nature and holistic living. In addition to her profession, she is a passionate advocate for nature. She finds solace and joy in her terrace garden, whereas she is loving her tends to her plants. This hobby not only reflects her nurturing spirit, but also her commitment to living in harmony with the environment. Her talents do not end there. She loves dancing and singing too, activities that bring vibrancy and joy to her life and those around her. She truly is a beacon of positivity, embodying the simplicity and humanity in every aspect of her life. Without further ado, please join me in welcoming Dr. Harika Sirigiri Garu onto the stage. Let us give her a warm round of applause. It is a very great pleasure that I introduce our esteemed guest, Mr. Ishwar Rao Garu. We are honored to have someone with us who embodies the spirit of dedication, passion, and holistic wellness. He trained the Common Protocol of International Yoga Day to the Police Department of Vijayawada in 2017, and the Railway Officers or Employees held at Railway Officers Club Government in 2018, 2022 and 23. He trained the Common Protocol of International Yoga Day to the Sri Chaitanya School at Kalavaram in 2019. He was working as a yoga master in Sri Ushodaya Techno School, Korangi, Vijayawada since 3 years and maintaining home and online classes. He participated in tournaments of 2016 and 17 and finished with second rank. He worked as a medical representative in Calvin Pharmaceutics in Vijayawada for 3 years. He worked as a medical representative in Zydus Cardiac Healthcare and became an area manager and served for almost 9 years. He also worked as a public relations officer in Royal Dialysis for 2 years and in Vanilla Hospital for 1 year. We are truly fortunate to have such a multi-talented and inspiring individual with us today. Please give a heartfelt welcome to Mr. Ishwar Rao Garu.
Padmasana, Chin Mudra, close your eyes for 1 minute. Neck and spine spread, just smile and face. అలాగే మన యోగా కూడా చేయాలి అంటే దాని గురించి ప్రేయర్తో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, Padmasana relax. Padmasana relax. Release your Padmasana. Release your Padmasana. Yes, two legs. Up and down your knees like this. Neck exercise fast. Neck up and down. Up, down. Continue. 2, up, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight. Now neck rotation. Slowly, like 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Three, 4, 5, anti-clock, 5, 6, anti-clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now knee rotation, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Standing posture. Tadasana, palm tree posture. Raise your 2 hands, raise your 2 hands, touch your 2 palms, take reverse, stand on your toes. Slowly down, release your hands, hands down, relax. Now position again, breathing your body, spine, and increase your concentration levels like increase. Touch your palms. Hands and foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise your 2 hands. Space for 2 legs, 2 feet. Hands up. Slowly down, right side. Left side. ठीक है. నేనైతే వాళ్ళకే ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు కాబట్టి నాకు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. Come on, raise your hands right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then opposite. Trigonometry triangle posture. Down. సాగదీయడం. 1 2 3 4 5 up. గుమ్మానికి దాని డిస్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో అలాగా మనకి ఇక్కడి నుంచి హెడ్ వరకు కూడా బాడీ స్ట్రైట్ గా ఉండాలి. రిలాక్స్.
అలా తీసుకొని అలా మూమెంట్ ఇవ్వండి ఫాస్ట్.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now Vajrasana. Spine straight, chest crunch. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Straight, stand on your knees. Ustrasana, camel posture. If possible, below. Raise your left hand, stand right hand. Stand stretching crunch, your thighs and stomach. Knees space. 1 2 3 4 5. Raise your right hand, then left hand, then downward Vajrasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Counter Sasankasana, Kundelu. Raise your two hands, bend forward. ఆర్బీపీ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఒక 2 మినిట్స్ అలా ఉంటే కనిపించి నార్మల్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. మనకున్న స్పైన్ షట్చక్రాలు అన్ని చక్కగా యాక్టివేట్ అవుతాయి. క్రాస్ ఇంటర్నల్ పోస్టులు ఉంటాయి, అవన్నీ కూడా చక్కగా సెపరేట్ అవుతాయి. ఇన్హేల్, రేజ్ యువర్ టూ హ్యాండ్స్ డౌన్, everyone. Slowly down, prone position. Under ball and input.
Just keep your eyes closed. There is a small meditation. The sound, fan noises. Observe the noises in the surroundings and become one with them. This body is a wonderful gift from the nature of God. Become aware of your toes.
ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै the palms of the raised faith, after the praise and glory of Christ.
Thank you to Dr. Harika Garu and Ishwar Rao Garu and Tejas sir. Thank you for addressing our event today. Thank you all.